I was really surprised when I saw a crew like drive past my window today. I was so happy because we have our power back. There's electricity running through my home again. Thank you for coming back when I called you.
Mine went away.
She did?
Yeah.
I knew if she got wet, she probably would. So the power is still off. It's been almost a week, and I've gotten an Etsy order, and I've gotten also a couple of hardcover book orders, and I'm just like, okay, I can't prevent this any longer. Like, I absolutely have to go in and work in the cold. And these are the only Etsy listings that I kept up when I switched from Etsy to Shopify. I remember not that long ago, I was like really scared of getting off of Etsy. I was like, where's my traffic gonna come from? I had no clue what I was going to do. And this is funny to me because I remember a long time ago, I was like, the only traffic I get is local in my town and Etsy. And I've grown up so much since then. I've understood how to use social media, and I've got less afraid of using it and being seen. Now I have a YouTube channel. I'm growing my email list. I have like a growing roster of business friends. I just have like so many options now. And I'm like just holding that space in my heart for like young Jess who didn't see her options. I was terrified of getting off of Etsy, and my business has never been better because I've created different avenues for people to flow to me. I am the witch, and people come to me when they need a book. And that is absolutely why I'm here. And owning that it always feels kind of silly. It does. It always feels a little silly to own that I'm a book witch. But it also feels comforting. Like, I don't have to search for myself anymore, you know? Like, I don't have to like figure out who I am. Yay, your 30s. Yay, being 30. 20s are like, who the hell am I? 30s are like, I know what I like. I am good to go in my life. And if you're not following this construct of like 20s and 30s and 40s and so on, it's fine. It's cool. It's just my perception. It does not need to apply to you at all. So I'm going to make a couple notebooks, and they are choose your own color and choose your own color of thread. And they're really, really fun. They're all recycled. It's great. And I can't wait to make more and more of these notebooks with different designs on the front, because now I am working smarter, not harder. And I'm going to film a little bit of me working on these Etsy notebooks, because I still get Etsy orders. It's great. It's another avenue of people coming to me with a need and me fulfilling that need. And that's being of service. Yes, being of service.
candles at front. I'm looking at the camera right now. I'll take a seat.
I think it's really fitting that I live in the middle of a big city. I live in the middle of the big city, and I still am in tune with my wildness. So the power was off for 12 days. An ice storm before Halloween blew in and took out hundreds of thousands of electricity lines and poles and transformers for all of Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. And so I went through this wave of, oh, it's only gonna last a few days, and then like I'm starting to get frustrated because I can't do the work I need to do. And then it was like oh, I'm starting to get used to this. You know, I was taking cold showers. Me and Zena were like going to gas stations and driving around for charging our phones. And it's funny how all these things that are happening in our world are also bringing us closer together. You know, like the divide is actually causing togetherness. We just went to the grocery store, like our power came on and we were hungry anyway. And I've been spending so much money on takeout and restaurant food that it kind of depleted the savings that I had, that I was starting to rack up. And the generosity of my friends online and on Instagram buying books and buying Your Book Witch sessions with me, it was really heartwarming. And Linda has been working with me to get this YouTube video edited. And me and Zena have had some really big moments together to where she had to understand, like, well, we don't have hot food because we don't have ways to cook that food. And I think she got a slight education on privilege in general, you know. Also, I was able to reassert my boundaries with her a little bit further. And now that the electricity's back on, I feel like I'm gonna miss it just a little bit. Zena, what was your favorite thing about the electricity being off?
I got to know how it was to actually play.
To actually play, yeah. And what was the thing that you did not like about the electricity being off?
Couldn't be on my tablet.
You couldn't be on your tablet. Yeah. My favorite thing about the electricity being off was those dark candlelit night times when I was just like reading my book and it felt so like still and calm. And then my least favorite was that I couldn't have a hot drink in the morning. No mud water, no tea, no hot liquids. I've been pulling the wild card. It has like a coyote on it on the Heart Quest deck. I was pulling it a few times before the power went out, and it just reminded me to stay wild in general, you know, and to be able to provide for yourself. Thank you guys for all of your support. As you can see, my house is illuminated. And I'll see you next week.
Bye.